Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Nulaxy 2-pack dual folding cell phone stand, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. With a sleek design in black and silver, this stand doesn't just hold your phone, it elevates your entire smartphone experience. First off, the set comes with not one, but two stands, making it super convenient for both work and home use. The adjustability factor is impressive, fully collapsible and easily adaptable to any position, providing a hands-free solution for watching videos, gaming, video calls, or even following recipes while cooking. Made from premium aluminum, these stands are not just sturdy, they're rock solid. No wobbling here. The rubber pads ensure your phone stays scratch-free and firmly in place. And the best part? You can keep your phone in its case, no need to remove it. The hook width accommodates even heavy cases. Speaking of compatibility, these stands work with a wide range of devices, from iPhones, including the latest iPhone 14 series, and Samsung Galaxy phones to Switch, Kindle, and more. It even supports charging, so you can juice up your device while it's comfortably propped up. Here's a tip. For optimal stability, set your device between 4 to 6 inches in portrait or landscape mode, and for larger devices, 6 to 10 inches, stick to landscape mode. In summary, the Nulaxy dual folding phone stand is a versatile, portable, and stylish solution to keep your hands free and your phone accessible. Whether you're working, relaxing, or multitasking, this stand has got you covered. Check it out and elevate your smart life. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.